Can the SBI Life Smart Platina Advantage Plan help you build substantial long term wealth, or is it just another market linked insurance plan with uncertain outcomes? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. This is an individual, non-linked, non-participating life insurance savings product, and some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with life insurance coverage along with guaranteed benefits. It offers the option to lock in guaranteed benefits for a policy term of 15, 20, or even 30 years. It requires premium payments only for a limited period, while life cover continues throughout the selected policy term. So it allows you to choose a limited premium payment term of either 7 years or 10 years. It also credits guaranteed additions at the end of each policy year, enhancing the maturity benefit. It also offers higher guaranteed additions for larger premium accounts and longer policy terms. So it provides the flexibility to receive the maturity benefit in installments over a period of up to 7 years based on your financial needs. So you are eligible for tax benefits under the applicable provisions of the Income Tax Act, which are subjected to prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So the maturity benefit is paid as a lump sum by default. However, the settlement option in this policy allows you to receive the maturity proceeds in installments over a chosen period. So the policy here offers optional rider benefits that can be added to enhance the overall protection coverage, and policy loans are also available against the policy, which are subjected to a maximum limit of 50% of the applicable surrender value. Now let us take a look at the disadvantages. So the sum assured is relatively low and may not be sufficient to meet your family's long-term financial needs, and the plan offers comparatively lower returns, which may limit wealth creation over the long term. So the long policy term restricts liquidity as your funds remain locked in until maturity. So the policy term and the premium paying term can't be customized based on your personal requirements. So these are some of the drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis. So we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. Let us assume for calculation purpose that a 40-year-old male has purchased this policy with a sum assured of 55 lakhs. So he opts for a premium payment term of 10 years and a policy term of 20 years, which pays an annual premium of 5 lakhs. So at the end of the policy term, the sum assured along with the accumulated guaranteed additions is paid as the maturity benefit. So based on the policy benefits illustration, the maturity value works out to be approximately 1.28 crore. The IRR generated from this cash flow is around 6.18% as per the policy's maturity calculator. While the certainty of guaranteed benefits may appear to be attractive, the return generated by the plan is relatively modest when compared with several other long-term debt-oriented investment options. So over an extended investment horizon, such moderate returns may not be sufficient to meaningfully grow your wealth after accounting for inflation. As a result, this policy may not help you accumulate the corpus required to achieve major financial goals effectively. So now, as we know that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to the comparative analysis part of the video, where we are going to compare this policy returns with other alternative investments. So instead of investing in insurance and investment under a single product, we are going to invest in both these components separately to see whether that can provide us with a clear picture of its effectiveness. For example purpose, we have taken up similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. So here we for life cover policy. So here for life cover, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with a higher sum assured of 75 lakhs, which can be purchased for an annual premium of approximately 22,300 rupees. After paying the insurance premium, the remaining 4.77 lakhs each year can be invested towards long-term financial goals. So, based on individual risk tolerance and investment objectives, this surplus amount can't be invested in debt or equity oriented instruments. So, for comparison, we have taken up both the alternatives, PPF and equity mutual fund. So in PPF scenario, although the minimum investment requirement is only 500 rupees per year, the scheme has a lock-in period of 15 years. So since the premium payment term in the policy illustration is for 10 years, suitable adjustments have been made for the remaining years to maintain the investment horizon. Additionally, the annual PPF investment limit of 1.5 lakhs has been ignored purely for example purpose. So under these assumptions, the combined strategy of a pure term policy and a PPF investment accumulates to approximately 1.41 crores, generating an IRR of 6.80%. In the equity mutual fund scenario, the investment grows to around 2.91 crores by the end of the period. Even after considering capital gains tax, the post-tax corpus is approximately 2.61 crores, which results in a post-tax IRR of 10.94%. So if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column for this purpose on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this comparison here highlights that separating insurance and investment can potentially lead to better outcomes. So, what is the final verdict? Is investing in the SBI Life Smart Platina Advantage Plan worth it or not? So, this policy provides you with guaranteed maturity benefits which may appeal to investors seeking certainty. However, when evaluating a long term investment, the focus should extend beyond guarantees and center on the ability of the investment to generate returns that can outpace inflation. Only then can it effectively support the increasing cost of future financial goals. So, our analysis here indicates that while the plan offers guaranteed benefits, the returns generated are relatively modest and may not be sufficient to beat inflation over the long term, and it also has a high agent commission. As a result, the maturity corpus accumulated through this policy may fall short of the amount required to achieve major financial goals. So, another key limitation of the policy is that combines insurance and investment into a single product. This often leads to compromises on both fronts, providing inadequate life cover and suboptimal investment returns. A more efficient approach would be to separate these objectives by purchasing a pure term policy for protection and investing the remaining savings in suitable investment instruments aligned with your financial goals. The right investment strategy depends on factors such as your risk appetite, investment horizon, and financial objectives. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.